Alrighty, how about a little avatar action? Alright, so the first one we're going to do is how to do Zoom avatars. Alright, so right now I got Groot. He's a character in front of my camera right now. He's having a good time, he's having a good hair day, but he doesn't want people to see him on camera. So all you have to do is he's going to go to his camera settings, and he's going to choose video filter, and then he's going to go to avatars. And so right here, avatar beta, and he's going to choose his favorite, which is this fella. And now Groot is no longer Groot, but is some kind of maybe polar bear or something. So that's how you do the avatars. So notice if you do change them, you can turn off the avatar or you can go back to filter. But if you go to here and you change to another one, sometimes it takes a little while. Right now it's going pretty quick, but it usually takes about 4 or 5 seconds for me. So maybe I'm just having a lucky day right now. Alright, so anyway, Groot is now a polar bear and Groot is happy. But notice you can't see Groot's mouth moving, you can't see him blinking, you can't see much of anything. So Groot is going to hand over the camera to me. I'm going to put the camera in front of me. I'm having a bad hair day, so I am not going to turn the camera on. I'm going to keep the camera the way it was. And I am going to get my act together. Let's see. Change this. Go back to avatars. I'm going to change it for a second, see if it pops up. There we go. It is a little glitchy. So last time I moved the camera, I didn't have to turn it back on and off, but it looks like in the settings sometimes if you have problems, just go back here, go video filter, go beta, and change your guy. But now notice that when I'm talking, the mouth is moving, and notice that you can't see my head. And so if my head is straight at the camera, you can see my ears, you can see everything. If I move my head back, my head moves. If I blink, my avatar blinks. If I move my eyebrows move a little bit. If I tilt my head left or right, forward or backwards, it does. It's almost perfect, but not quite. But anyway, so that's what you got. You got plenty to choose from, and you can go back to none if you want, but let's see, we're going to do one of each. So now we're going to try to go to the cow. I think this is some kind of mouse coming up. 1, 2, 3. Notice how slow it is. I've already chosen it. There you go. I don't know what that is. Let's do fox. And let's do bunny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it takes a while if you have not used it yet. Alright, that's it. That's the gist for the avatar beta in Zoom. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye-bye.